Sometimes while using internet you may find the error that only Google and YouTube works and every other website is impossible to load. Today I'll show you a few ways to solve this issue and to have again a perfectly functioning internet connection. So first of all, why internet only loads Google and YouTube? Well, I think that a number of issues can contribute to this problem, and sometimes it may be that internet is not entirely unavailable, but there is just problem with your connection and maybe your firewall or other issues related to your internet service provider. You know what I'm saying, man? Yeah. So how to fix the problem forever? First of all, restart the router. Okay, try restarting the router. You can do it in various ways. You can simply unplug it from the wall, take off the plug and wait between 30 seconds and 1 minute before reconnecting it again. Or you can directly press the reset button that usually is on the back or at the bottom of the router. You may need something a bit small to press that button because they usually a bit hidden, because so you don't risk to press them unintentionally. But if you press that button, your router will definitely reset. Another thing you can try is change the browser. Maybe you are using Google Chrome and you're experiencing problem with that specific particular browser. I don't know, maybe try using Safari, use Alta Vista, use Mozilla Firefox, use Brave browser, if you feel a bit like a cool kid, or maybe try Opera, or for example, use a VPN, change your browser and at the same time also use a VPN, this may help you solve the issues. You can try to reinstall the browser, sometimes you don't need to change what you're using, but you simply have to reinstall it or maybe update it, sometimes, for example, Google Chrome usually needs to be updated, and if you don't update it, you're not able to use all the function of the browser, and this may be causing you issues. You can also try to switch the Ethernet cable, scan for viruses. As I was saying, sometimes it's the Windows firewall. This is if you're using a Mac, an Apple devices, it's harder to have this type of problem, because usually when you're using Apple you don't need an antivirus, because Apple devices are less, they have less probability to be attacked by a virus, while Windows are usually are under attack. You know what I'm saying? So try restoring the configuration of the firewall. Change the DNS of your computer or reset the TCP/IP. Okay, so I think that if you try at least one or two of these solutions, you may be able to solve your problem and be able to access Google and YouTube, access the internet normally again. Also, another thing that isn't mentioned here but you may also try is simply to restart entirely your computer, turn off and then turn on the computer again. Okay, so I hope that this helped you, and yeah, have a nice day.